Too strong. And Gonzalez. Number 34, drive, lace. Yes, sir, Gonzalez. Gonzalez. Oh, rejected. And Yumol open for three. Bang! And Riles goes inside. Pass. Kaya po ang lalim na. Welcome to Abra Intertown Solid North Basketball Cup, and here's number 5. And he attacks Gonzalez. The floater of the window won't go. Rebound here and a putback shot. And a first blood flash to Bringas. Bringas now at the top. His top passes to Gonzalez. Holds the ball. And a pass back to Bringas to the wings. Yumol. Corner. Bounce pass inside. Kicks out. Yumol with the receive. And to the corner. And Yumol open for three. Bang! Number 25. Dribbling the ball. He stops. A bounce pass to number 34. Deep three. Off the target. Yumol with the rebound. Gonzalez drives. Oh! Rejected! Gonzalez inside pass. The lob pass and the finish. Number 25 to 34. Cross pass. Fires at 3. Not good. Rebound number 11. Gonzalez again number 8. Attacks. Floater off the glass. Oh! For the inbound, the bounce pass to number 34. Pass to the wings. Number 8 pass back to for 3. Too strong. And Gonzalez against number 34. Drive. Lace. Yes sir. Gonzalez. The burner. Bounce pass to Estil. Estil against Bringas. Number 8 with the receive. He dribbled the ball against Gonzalez. He spins. Nakalusot side step. Kicks out. And Riles goes inside. Pass. Reverse layup. Oh, ang lalim na. Look pass. And Bringas kicks out. Yumol open for 3. Bang! Yumol. And 12-point lead for Team La Paz. Here's Estil. Estil against Bringas using the screen for 3. Bang! Bounce pass. Pass back. Natapikan. And agawan ng buko. Mapupunta kay Taberner. And stolen. And lace easy to Gonzalez. Number 8. Attacks. Pull up J. Nagid. Here is Team La Paz. Gonzalez. Corner. Goes inside. Pass. Libre easy to. Cross the wheelman is still. Taberner attacks. Lace. Bucket. Gaver. And stop. Gonzalez. Pass to the middle. Pull up J. Short. Natapikan. Gaberner. Gaberner. High pass. Estil. Estil creating space. Attack. Side step. Lace. Na good rebound. Put back. Bucket. Here's Team La Paz. High pass. Kicks out. Gonzalez stop. Pull up J3. Bang! Gonzalez. Pass inside. The floater. Yes sir. Turner. Pass. Open. Look for 3. Won't go. That's it. And here's Team San Juan. Number 8 to number 14. Number 2. Pass back. Try a 3. Bang! Bucket. And here's number 14. 26-14 and 12-point lead for Team La Paz. Pass back for 3. Bang! Open for 3. Bang! 3-point. Bounce pass. Attack. Straight to the hoops. No good. And the pass break. Pass. Yumol. Bucket. Yumol. Close the mid lane. Number 2. Passes to number 14. To number 2. Bounce pass inside. Corner. Pull up J. Short. Put back. Bucket. And Gonzalez for the inbound. Pass to the baseline. Hang time. Pinasa. Pull up J. Good rebound. Put back. Bucket. Bringas at the logo. Setting the play. Bringas goes to the screen. Corner, wide open, pinasa sa loob. Kicks out. Dribble the ball to the middle. Hook shot. Rebound. Oops, and stolen. And here you go, Camacho. Binit-bit. Hang time. Bucket. Bringas. Pass to Bacalso. Bacalso inside pass. Another pass. Extra kicks. Fake. Oh! My pass. Sumisigsag. Bringas si pass. Ball is stolen. 2-on-1. 2-on-2. Bounce pass. Gaberner lumipad. Oh! Bound to number 8. Pass to Camacho. Step back for 3. Bang! The receive. Corner. Cross pass. And to the middle. Attacks. Stolen. For the lead. Camacho. Easy to. The ball possession for Team La Paz. Gonzalez goes inside. He bump. Fire short. Pass break na naman. Nauna na naman si Camacho. Tingnan yung gwardiya. Bucket and 3-point. And here's Gonzalez attacking the defense to the corner. Yumol for 3. Negud. Rebound. Gonzalez picks inside pass. Clutch fire. Camacho pass to number 8. Pass back. Camacho for 3. Bang! He drilled. Gonzalez at the logo. Between the legs. Stop for 3. No good. And the pass. Camacho again for 3. No good. Rebound. Floater. Bucket. Last 2 seconds. 3 seconds. Stolen. Stop for 3. Oh, no good. And Gonzalez. Pass to Bringas. Pass to the wings. Yumol launches on 3. Bang! From Gonzalez. Pass to bounce pass. Bringas. Bounce pass inside. Yumol. For 3. No good. Rebound. Picks. Clutch. Ang daming clutch. Bucket. And number 8. Bump. Inside pass. Stolen. Pass break. Gonzalez. Tinitignan yung gwardiya all the way to the hoops. Easy to. Gonz. Pass to number 34. Steal between the legs. Aasinta. Corner pass. Gaberner. Gaberner. Goes to the middle. Pass to number 8. Gaberner step back for 3. Short. Rebound Yumol. Yumol pass to Gonzalez. Pass pair. Bucket. Gonzalez. And his number 25. Gaberner bounce pass for 3. Short. Rebound. Pass break ngayon. And here's Banez. Banez side step. Back. Won't go. Gaberner, high pass. And lumipad, pinabitin, Bucket. 47-49. Bounce pass is stolen. And the pass. And number 22 drive to the hoops. Bucket, tie game. And the ball possession for La Paz. Pass back. Gonzalez. Yumol open for 3 again. No good. Rebound. Natapikan, recover, Gonzalez, dribble, attacks, the floater, no good. Rebound pa rin, La Paz, hook shot, short. And the pass, Gaberner, bounce pass, floater shot, no good, rebound. Put back, block, rejected by Yumol. Pass break, all alone, easy to for the lead. And the bounce pass, number 34. And the high pass, corner, bounce pass inside. Fires off the window, Bucket. Tie game again. And number 52. Stops si pass. Yumol, pass back Yumol. Floater, short. And the pass break ngayon. 3 versus 1. High pass. And picks, fire off the glass, Bucket. The pass, Yumol. Pass to the middle. And number 52 goes to screen, bounce pass, attack, side step, fire, short, rebound still, recover, kicks out, stolen, Gaberner, pass break ngayon, lumipad, easy to, and pass, And the pass back. And Gonzalez dribble the ball. Corner pass. Picks. Attacks. The floater of the glass. No good. Rebound. And fires. Oh, great space. Bucket of the glass. Pass number 34. Attacks. Natapikan. Stolen. And Gonzalez. And bounce pass. Lays. Bucket. Rebound. And the pass break. 2-on-1. 3-on-1. Attacks. Uy. And by stops. Kicks out. Bounce pass. Inside pass. Reverse layup. Yumol. Bucket. Change 57. La Paz. 56 San Juan. And here's Caberner. Spins. Kicks out. And here's Fakes. Dribble. Fires at 3. In and out. Rebound. Para sa San Juan. Bounce pass. Fires off the glass. Bucket. Change favor again. Caberner. Pass to number 8. To number 22. Pass to Camacho. Camacho. Hook pass inside. Picks. Kicks out. Inside. Pull up J. Bucket. And 27 seconds on the game clock. To the middle. Banez. Pass back. Number 18. Using the screen. Picks Yumol, drives to the glass, bucket, Yumol. And 5 seconds, he pass, open look for 3, short. That's the Abe. Crossover, goes inside, kicks to the open floater. Taberner, corner, Camacho, left alone for 3. Bang! Nothing but net. And number 52 goes to the middle. Ball is stolen by Camacho. Camacho alone to the hoops. Easy to Camacho. Pass to Yumol. Stops. Fires at 3. My foul. Bounce pass to the middle. Pull up J. Bullseye. And this Gonzalez against 3 defender. Wait for his teammate. Natapikan sa likod. And recover. Oop. Bounce pass to Yumol. Yumol against Taberner. Bounce pass to Bringas. Corner pass. Bringas. Lost the handle and recover. Inside pass. Yumol. Reverse up. Bucket. Yumol. Pass to Estil. Corner. Taberner left for 3. Too strong. And the pass break here. Bringas against Camacho. Vampire. Taberner against Bringas. Bounce pass. Number 34, Kakaldag. Hatid. Floater. Bucket. Bringas. Stops. Pass stolen. Dag. Slow. Easy to. 34. Bersamina. Bersamina for 3. Bam! Gonzalez attacks to the hoop. Short. Rebound. And kicks out. Open look. Fakes attacks. And Gonzalez again. Floater. 10 seconds to shoot. Goes inside. Kicks out. Bersamina. Pull up J. No good. Rebound. Hook shot. No good. Stolen. Pass break. Bringas. Pass to Gonzalez. Fires. Bucket. Gonzalez. Matias. Pass to number 8. To number 34. And goes to the screen. Stolen. Pass break ayon. Gonzalez. All alone. Easy bucket. Gonzalez. Point lead. 1 minute 50 seconds. Taberner. Shot clock. Down to 10. Bounce pass. Open look for 3. Bang! Again! Gonzalez. 7-point lead. Bump. Step back. Picks. Fires. Yumol for 3. Block. Rejected. And congratulations, Team San Juan.